All right, so here's the dried results from our black and white to color TV video. Remember, I couldn't show you the dried results because I changed my mind at the last minute. This lower half came out amazing, but I didn't like the upper half, so I had to change it. But I did add this really cool transitioning from like black to purple to blue to green to yellow to orange to red to white accent along the diagonal. So, all right, hope you guys like it. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today, I figured we'd do something a little bit different perspective with the camera, just so you guys can see a nice close-up of what I'm doing. And it's been a while since I've done a sandwich pour, and I figured what better topic to do that than with the oceans. So today we're going to be learning about the different oceans we have on Earth, some fun facts that differentiate each one. And having said that, I have some beautiful ocean colors. And if you've seen my previous videos, I have been on a mission this year. I know it's still early, but I'm working on it to use up a lot of my pre-mixed pouring acrylics. So I've been doing fluid art now for just a little over a year. And when I started, I bought a ton of the pre-mixed pouring acrylics because I just wanted to play around and get started right away and not have to worry about consistency. And they do make some absolutely gorgeous colors. But as I've gotten into it and I've gotten more experience, now I, of course, make my own mixed paints. And I have so many of these left. So today we're going to use up some of them. I'm really excited. So for our method, and I've been tossing around what I wanted to do, but I figured we'll do 2 flip cups and then we'll pull them up and see if we want to lip them or not. A lot of times with the sandwich pours, I do just to get those beautiful lines. But one of my favorite parts about sandwich pours is the transparency you get with the different colors coming in. So we'll see how it goes. But all right, let's get started here. This is a 20 by 24 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artist Loft. And I wanted to ask my friends in the art community, with these anymore, like, I don't know what they've changed, but the texture is crazy rough. Let me know if you notice that too. Like, even like the level 3, the nice ones, it's kind of like a really rough texture. And yes, they're gessoed and all that, but I don't know what's going on with them. Anyways, I didn't know if it was just me or not. But yeah, so for a sandwich pour, we're just going to add in just little bits of these different colors, not overwhelming, because that's the point of a sandwich pour. We kind of want a lot of transparency. We want fine lines, not a lot of bulky lines. So we'll see if we can accomplish that. And rather than talk about the fun facts, I'm just going to post them in text on the video. So definitely keep an eye out for that. If you do like scrolling through the awesome parts and feel like you need to scroll, make sure you stop and at least read the fun facts along the way. All right, I love this. So sorry, I didn't even say my colors. So for the premix, this is Irid Floor Green. This is so pretty. It has like a color shift, a blue color shift. This is just pearlized blue. And then this one is pearlized turquoise. And then just for fun, I do have a little gold. It's like a light gold. It's some leftover paint that I've used before, just to add a little bit of other bling. Okay. All right, so now that I've gotten my supplies out of the way, I'll shut up and you can listen to a little relaxing music and watch the process unfold. All right, and here we are with dried results. This came out so beautiful and soft and pretty. I love these lines in here. And it's interesting because the gold did not take over. It's very mild, but man, you can see the pearl and the shimmer of it when you turn to the side. So I love this part up here. Yes, it reminds me like very glacial and icy and lovely. So yeah, this was fun. Really pretty outcome. Perfect for a bathroom or some sort of tropical theme. It could be tropical or icy, I suppose. Which one do you think it gives more vibes of? Do you look at this and think like, ooh, icy, beautiful, or you're like, no, that's definitely beachy Caribbean vibe. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time.